Hey party animals, it's Holly, the Twister Sister. Welcome back to another Tutorial Tuesday. This week I am tackling a request that I've been avoiding for a very long time. We are finally going to be doing a koala. I've never really sat down and tried to figure out a koala before. One, because I didn't get a lot of requests for it, and two, because there were some other really cute koala designs that I'd seen online, and I didn't really just want to copy someone else's, but I didn't have any great ideas for my own. Until the other day, I was working on something completely different, and I saw a koala face in what I was working on. I was like, oh my god. This is it. So I experimented with it and I really love this little koala I came up with, and so that's what I'm going to share with you today. This balloon is good for new and intermediate balloon artists, and it is something that is pretty fast, so you could put this on your line work menus if you wanted to. I'm using 3 balloons for this koala. We've got a black 260. We're not going to use very much of this at all, really just for the nose. We've got a grayish, a new color from Vitalitex, which I think is the perfect color for koalas. And I've left about a 2 to 3 inch tail on that one. If you don't have the new grayish color, you can also use gray or silver. Use what you got. And then we'll be doing white. I think this would also be a good color for like a ivory off-white sort of color. I've got white, so that's what I'm using, and about a 4 inch tail on that one, doesn't matter either. Okay, so we're actually going to start off. I'm just tied all 3 of my balloons together, and then I'm just going to trim off the tails so they don't get all bunched up and cause problems later. Alright, so we've got all 3 balloons tied together. I'm going to do 2 pinch twists on my black balloon to start off, and these are going to be for his nose. So just kind of bigger pinch twist, so nice big round bubble there, and turn that into a pinch twist. And one more time, another one about the same size, nice big bubble, and turn that into a pinch twist. Okay, we're done with the black at this point. You can leave it for now if you want. I'm just going to go ahead and get it out of the way so it's not causing problems for me as we move on. Now you want to line up your pinch twists so they are vertical, so they're kind of facing long ways up and down like this. And then you want to have your grayish coming out the side of those ready to go for the head. So we're going to come out on our grayish, just a small round, maybe 1 inch bubble. Okay, and then we're going to do 1.5 to 2 inch bubble. And then we're going to do a longer bubble, 3 or 4 inches or so, for his forehead. And then we're going to do another bubble the same size as this one. So make sure that you're holding on to all this, like with your arm, holding this so that it doesn't come untwisted here. Okay, we've got that. And now we're going to need another bubble the same size as this first one we made. So just a smaller, rounder bubble. Okay, so that is what we should have. We're going to take this around and bring it into the other side of our pinch twist. So we're making like a big circle. Okay, so you should have that. Now these 2 bubbles on either side are 1.5 inch bubbles. We're going to take both of those and turn them into pinch twist. So you're just going to pull that bubble out in your hand and then twist it around itself, and twist it around a good number of times so it doesn't come undone. And that's an ear. Do the same thing on the other side to make your other ear. You guys see the koala face now? Oh, wasn't that so easy? Okay, so now we're going to continue on with our grayish, going down for the body. So I'm going to squeeze it out so it's a little bit softer. I'm going to come down. This is a cutie patootie body, which you've only seen if you were at one of the conventions I taught at earlier this year. So special little gift to you guys this Tuesday. We're going to come down about 34 inches here. We're going to do a little loop. Twist it around a few times, and then twist it around your balloon like this a couple of times. And we're going to do a spacer bubble, another loop. Again with this loop, you're going to twist it around a few times and then go around your balloon like this a few times. And then you're going to bring the rest of this back up into the head. And once you've got it back up into the head, we can get rid of the rest of that. I'm just gonna let the air out there, secure it off, and tie it off, or cut it off. So now we've got this. Hopefully you are seeing where I'm going, but now we're gonna take the white balloon that's attached underneath his nose, and we're just gonna pull it down in between the two little loops, all the way back up the other side, into the other side of the head, and just wrap it in there to lock it in place. And when we're done with that one, you can just secure that off, tuck that tail into the body to hide it. Ta-da! Isn't that so adorable? Now the cool thing about this design is it looks the same from the front and the back, so you can kind of give them both a quick look over and decide which side looks better and make that the front. Now you could get fancy and do some white bubbles out of balloons for the eyes, but I think he looks fine with just some Sharpie art eyes. So I'm just gonna draw them on really quick. I'm just gonna do simple Keith Brinker eyes. I love his artwork. He doesn't think it's good, but it's amazing. Okay, so that's just ovals and eyebrows, and then we're gonna bust out our white paint pen. And yes, I would totally do this white paint pen part in a line work situation because it's just two of the tiniest little dots, and they're gonna dry pretty fast, and so I'm not too worried about handing this off to somebody. Look how cute. Isn't that the most adorable koala? Oh my gosh, I am in love with this little design. And my challenge to you guys, I really want to see somebody do this in 350s or 360s. Upsized koala, I think that would be so cool. So let's see if somebody out there tries it this week. That would be really fun to see a big, giant, squeezable, huggable koala. So that's it for our tutorial this week. I hope you guys liked this one. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more balloon tutorials and balloon related videos, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and put out new tutorials every Tuesday for Tutorial Tuesday. If you have any questions about this design or wanted to see it again in real time, you can catch me on my Facebook page tomorrow on Wednesday for our Wednesday replay. I'll be doing this design live on Facebook, so I can go over it with you guys again and answer any questions that you may have or questions about anything relating to balloon businesses in general. I'd be happy to answer those questions for you guys tomorrow night, Wednesday, 9:30 Eastern, live on my Facebook page. Don't forget, if you need some clothing, balloon animal related gear and merch, that I've got you covered at thetwistersister.com. I've got a whole range of products there, everything from shoes to shirts and jackets. So when you walk into a party, there's no question that you are the balloon artist and you are ready to rock. Thanks guys for hanging out with me on your Tuesday. I always look forward to this, and I will see you guys tomorrow on my Facebook page for the Wednesday replay. See you guys over there. Have a great week, everyone. Bye.